Hey, so welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about posting on Facebook. And this is my brand new changes to the page in SociSNAP. I just brought it up in Facebook and I click Get Started. First thing I see that Facebook has updated my page because they added notifications to my personal profile. So I can actually message my fans on my page right from inside of Instagram or Facebook Messenger. That's what they're basically explaining. So I click photo video because I'm going to post something. They tell me my default audience is public, so I want everyone to see this page because it's a public page. I'm not going to boost it right away. That's one of my strategies, is you boost after you get some initial engagement with your current fan base. I dragged a little 58-second video that my client gave me to promote. And now I'm going over to grab the text from Zoom. So I go and grab the text for our event tomorrow. I just copy and I'm copying that to my clipboard. And then I'm going to go back to find the page again that I was working on. Oh, there it is. Paste it in, and boring. It's just got plain text. So we're going to spice it up inside of SociSNAP. So I'm going to copy this text to my clipboard, fire over to SociSNAP. You can always find it by the little OK symbol in the upper hand tab. So I'm going to paste it there at the top. And so next we're going to spice up the first line. The first line is the most important thing, but before I do that, I'm going to go into my emoji editor and add the OK symbol, which is our brand, and then the little eyeball. And then we're going to add a little smiley face. I like the heart one. And so that's the first line of my post that's going in social media. And then what I want to do is get rid of these asterisks because they look like bullets, and I want to use X's instead. So I'm going to go and actually run a search. It's not even a popular emoji. Popular are all the emojis that the whole world is looking for. But I just typed the letter X in the search box, and I got a nice little X that I can use. And so I just grab that X and I paste it right in there. And there's our post. So now I can now copy this entire thing and go back to Facebook and replace the text and hit post.